Paragraph formatting. Paragraph formatting lets you control the appearance of individual paragraph and does not format any specific character or part of it. Some paragraph formatting options are alignment. It determines how line and paragraph appear in relation to the left and right margins. Margin is the blank space between edge of paper and text. Indentation. An indent increases the distance between side of a paragraph and left or right margin. Indented paragraphs appear to have different margin settings. Word provides a variety of indents to emphasize paragraphs in a document. For instance, indent is used in poems. Spacing. MS Word allows you to add extra space either before or after a paragraph. Before and after space values are represented in points. Line spacing is the amount of vertical space between lines of text in paragraph. Single spacing is MS Word's default setting. Line spacing can be changed to double-spaced or 1.5 lines.